Hello everyone and welcome back yet again to another daily update video. My name is CryptoStash and I hope you're all having an amazing week. Currently it is Thursday and let's get right into the charts. Starting off with Bitcoin, you can see we just broke through that monthly pivot that I was talking about. It did took quite some time, but Bitcoin did actually hit this level, and right now we did grab the liquidity below this low. But as of right now, things are not looking great since we are also back below the value area high of this range, which we wanted to see hold in order for Bitcoin to continue higher and put in this new high, which we're looking at right here, right now. We are right now also back below the lows right here from back in April 2025, back when the tariff crash happened right here. So this level was a very key that we wanted to also remain above, but as you can see, Bitcoin has failed to do so right now, and potentially we are, in my opinion, going to go back down to 71 to 69k, which is where the 200 weekly EMA is sitting. And now I know I was bullish basically this whole time right here, but as I said, I was cautiously bullish. I was expecting another push to the upside, but I was also warning you of the possibilities that if we start losing this level right here, that the monthly pivot would be next, and then potentially once we get back accepted below the value area high, the chance is higher that we revisit down to the POC and the value area low. So potentially those are our next key levels. The altcoins, however, they are doing pretty bad right now. You can see it is almost down to the value area low. Basically, we are right now trading at a level from which we were trading like back in February, basically right here below $2,000. And if we start breaking lower, then I do believe that Bitcoin and the altcoins like ETH and Solana, for example, they will start dropping very sharply, and we are going to be back into levels from the bear market back in 2023, 2022. So this is going to be the next important things. The altcoins are potentially signaling us this, that if they don't hold this level, then basically we are, so to say, done for. The alts, even though the dominance is rejecting right here, if we start seeing Bitcoin fall and the Bitcoin dominance fall, this is going to be getting very ugly very fast. Now the stock market right here forming some bearish divergences. You can see it clearly right here on the upside. This is a clear bearish divergence, basically double bearish divergence if we count the first one that even the RSI indicator is telling us. Right now, this is basically a second bearish divergence on the daily time frame confirming. Same thing right here on the Nasdaq. You could see clearly this is a very strong bearish divergence that we are printing right now. So expect something to happen, in my opinion, once we get the new monthly candle open, which is going to be in 1 day and 12 hours. Basically, it could get a very, very ugly for Bitcoin. This 3-day 15 hours, since it does also count the weekends. So basically in 3 days, next Monday, we're going to be having our new monthly candle, and this is going to be the make it and break it level for Bitcoin and the altcoins, also for the stock market. Now clearly very interesting to see here those two monthly candles, and those two right here, they are the monthly candles from which we started the previous second drop on the bear market rally. So this could also very well repeat. Same thing, same scenario right here could also happen. And as I said, we could bottom out this rally somewhere below this wick that we left right here back in the 2024 summer range. Those are the higher time frame targets that I'm looking for. In the lower time frames, you can see right here we got this whole time price dropping, trading below the VWAP, open interest rising while CVD is declining, which means that new shorts are entering right here. During this whole time we got new short positions coming into the market and pushing price down. You can see this clearly right here. We got quite a lot of short positions opened overall on the major exchanges, and basically you can also see that we've had the liquidation taken out right here to the downside. We got all the way down to 72.6k. So we took out all of the liquidity that was sitting below right here, and also the spot ETFs outflows are getting bigger and bigger. You can see almost 1 billion altogether, with BlackRock selling $500 million of their spot ETF Bitcoin. So the sell-offs are getting quite big, which is basically understandable since we are in a bear market still. Nothing has changed. We were just expecting one more last push, which could happen very well. We could get a fake out push, but the chances of that right now are getting very unlikely with as the time goes on. The more time we spend out here, the less likely it is that we start actually pumping higher to basically sweep the highs that we left right here. Let's see, we also do have some news coming out for today, which are going to be very important for the market. And we also got Bitcoin options expiring tomorrow, which are also basically today and tomorrow, Thursday, Friday, are going to be the most important 2 days of this week. So this could also move the markets and give us some nice moves to come. Either be that to the upside or to the downside. We trade the moves anyway. But if Bitcoin does not hold this level right here, the next level is going to be around 71 down to 68.5k. And basically our last hope is going to be the value area low down at 65.2k. So basically those are the three levels that I'm looking at right now. Either we start bouncing from here, or we bounce from lower, or the last hope of resort is basically the value area low of the range. If we start breaking those levels, then expect 60k to be swept and to see Bitcoin trade below $60,000 down in the 50s. This could seems impossible right now, but believe me, it could happen very well. So I do believe that this would cover it for today, guys. Hope you liked the video, and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye.